Hello dear viewers. Many people have darkening of the skin on their elbows, knees and armpit. Here are some simple home remedy to remove this darkening. The remedies will lighten this dark area to match the normal skin tone of yours. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to keep in touch. Now, let's start. First remedy, mix half a tablespoon full of yogurt with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and apply this paste on the affected area. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse it off with water. Vinegar unclogs the pores and cleans the skin. Yogurt moisturizes and lightens the skin tone. Second, carefully remove the fresh gel from the aloe vera leaf and apply this for 15 minutes on the dark areas of your body. Aloe vera makes your skin soft and lighter. Please press the like button if we deserve. Third, blend lemon juice, cucumber pulp and turmeric powder. Apply this paste to the darkened area and leave it for 15 minutes. Cucumber and lemon have skin lightening property and turmeric has antibacterial properties to keep infection away. Fourth remedy, take a few thin potato slices and rub them on the dark areas. Potato can be used on sensitive skins such as underarm because it has very subtle acidic quality. Fifth, every night before going to bed, apply some fresh coconut oil on the darkened area. Coconut oil moisturizes and provides the hydration which is required to manage the dryness of the skin. Skin darkening in certain areas can be caused by aging genetic factors, overexposure to sun, hormonal imbalances, dryness of skin, friction, or a reaction to medication. I would like to give you some suggestions to avoid or prevent any further darkening. Drink enough water to keep dryness of skin. Eat a balanced diet with vitamin E foods such as carrots, apricots, sweet potatoes, and almonds. Avoid leaning and resting on your elbows and knees. Protect your skin from strong sunlight. I hope you like this video. Please share this with your friend and family and write us if you have any suggestion or request. Till the next video, take care and be healthy.